What's going on, guys? This is the first time I'm flying business, and I just wanted to share this experience with you. And this is not just like for flexing or something like that. This is just like showing you that it's possible. And secondly, just sharing this like amazing thing. Look at the amount of leg space that I have, honestly. And like honestly, you can change the bed. You have every amenities you want, and it's like the food is phenomenal. I just slept for like 5 hours like a baby. Honestly, it's so worth it. And let's keep to Phuket.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Alright, so I just landed in Phuket after like 16-hour flight. I'm not going to lie, like I'm hella tired, so I'll probably see you in the morning. But I just wanted like to give you a life lesson if you travel alone anytime. Don't transfer like convert money in the airport. Don't buy their local SIM. But besides that, if you need a SIM card or something like that, you just go to the 7-Eleven and they like fix you up in 5 minutes max. So just wanted to tell you that, and I'll see you in the morning.
Wants me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel.
So, good morning. Now, this is the second day here in Phuket, and as you can see, the view is like absolutely stunning. You can see the pool, which is amazing. Today is a very, very, very busy day. We're trading the Europe session.
Taking, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.
We're going to go to Muay Thai.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger, thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor.
Alright, so we just finished up the workout, and honestly, like, I don't know if you can see it, but my hand is honestly shaking. This is the place. It's like super sketchy in the alleyway. I'm going to link it down. I don't recall how it's called, honestly, but it was a really, really good workout. And I'm not like a big martial arts type of guy, but honestly, it was good. Like, he taught me a lot. I'm not going to be like a Muay Thai fighter, but it's nice to do things that you're not used to. So right now I'm going to go back to the hotel, take a shower, and go trading. Maybe eat something in the meanwhile. I'll see. Okay, so this is what no one from the trading industry is going to show you. And to be honest with you, this is one of the biggest cons of like being a trader or investor or being in the stock market. And I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really, really dark outside. That's because the current time is 1:30 a.m. Actually, this entire trip is not just vacation. It's for searching for a property to invest in, because I want to take some money outside of the US. So I want to diversify my portfolio and buy a property for a rental in Koh Samui. So tomorrow we're flying to Koh Samui, and today was pretty epic, to be honest. It was a really, really good day. But the thing is, if you work remotely, or if you're a digital nomad, the thing is, you need to take into consideration is the time difference. Because yeah, it's amazing to spend like a quarter of what you spend back home, but the market isn't really closed yet, and I still have like 1.5 hours left to go. I might like close the computer because I don't see anything interesting right now. Like, making money online is crucial, in my opinion, if not essential at this point in life. Because if you can earn in US dollars and spend in another currency, which is much, much cheaper, for example, Thai baht, like the exchange rate is 1 to 36, 37. It's crazy. Like you can buy a person out here, and no, I'm not joking. Like literally, you can buy a person here. And I'm going to wrap things up over here, and I'm going to see you in the next video, where I'm going to take you with me to buy a house in Koh Samui. So up until the next video, I'll see you soon, and have a wonderful night.